How to change Roblox avatar skin color. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account, then click on avatar at the bottom. And here, click on customize at the top. And you'll find all these options. Simply click on skin. Now, you'll find different colors. Select the one you prefer if you want to change your whole. If not, click on advanced at the bottom and you will be able to change different body parts color. Like if you click on head and different color, torso, different color, left arm, different color. After you do this, if you go back, your avatar will be set. And this is how to change Roblox avatar skin color. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.